This is your English level test. Grab a pen, let's go. 3 sections: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. 10 questions each. Every question has 3 choices. Pick the correct one. Write your answers down. I'll give you the score at the end of the video. Ready? Section 1. Beginner level. Question 1. A. Catherine doesn't like spicy food. B. Catherine don't like spicy food. C. Catherine isn't like spicy food. The correct answer is A. Catherine doesn't like spicy food. Question 2. A. This car is bigger than that one. B. This car is more big than that one. C. This car is the biggest that one. The correct answer is A. This car is bigger than that one. Question 3. A. Alex has a meeting in Monday. B. Alex has a meeting on Monday. C. Alex has a meeting at Monday. The correct answer is B. Alex has a meeting on Monday. Question 4. A. Leo has buy an umbrella. B. Leo buyed an umbrella. C. Leo bought an umbrella. The correct answer is C. Leo bought an umbrella. Question 5. A. I think it will rain tonight. B. I think it is raining tonight. C. I think it rains tonight. The correct answer is A. I think it will rain tonight. Question 6. A. That backpack is my. B. That backpack is to me. C. That backpack is mine. The correct answer is C. That backpack is mine. Question 7. A. Have you watched the movie yesterday? B. Did you watch the movie yesterday? C. Did you watched the movie yesterday? The correct answer is B. Did you watch the movie yesterday? Question 8. A. There is many rice in the bowl. B. There is some rice in the bowl. C. There are some rices in the bowl. The correct answer is B. There is some rice in the bowl. Question 9. A. Her called him last night. B. Him called she last night. C. He called her last night. The correct answer is C. He called her last night. Question 10. A. They have studied English for 5 years. B. They have studied English since 5 years. C. They have studied English from 5 years. The correct answer is A. They have studied English for 5 years. Good. 10 down, 20 to go. Keep your score and stay with me. Section 2. Intermediate level. Verb forms, prepositions, word choice. Let's go. Question 11. A. You must complete your homework. B. You have must to complete your homework. C. You must completing your homework. The correct answer is A. You must complete your homework. Question 12. A. Lena never throws attention in class. B. Lena never gives attention in class. C. Lena never pays attention in class. The correct answer is C. Lena never pays attention in class. Question 13. A. Have you ever visited Europe? B. Have you ever visiting Europe? C. Did you ever visited Europe? The correct answer is A. Have you ever visited Europe? Question 14. A. If we leave early, we'd have arrived on time. B. If we leave early, we'd arrive on time. C. If we leave early, we'll arrive on time. The correct answer is C. If we leave early, we'll arrive on time. Question 15. A. Emma speaks English more fluent than her brother. B. Emma speaks English more fluently than her brother. C. Emma speaks English fluent than her brother. The correct answer is B. Emma speaks English more fluently than her brother. Question 16. A. To reading books is my favorite hobby. B. Reading books is my favorite hobby. C. To read books is my favorite hobby. The correct answer is B. Reading books is my favorite hobby. Question 17. A. My partner hardly ever eats meat. B. My partner hardly never eats meat. C. My partner never hardly eats meat. The correct answer is A. My partner hardly ever eats meat. Question 18. A. Alex often forgets to locking the door. B. Alex often forgets locking the door. C. Alex often forgets to lock the door. The correct answer is C. Alex often forgets to lock the door. Question 19. A. Daniel should told his parents sooner. B. Daniel should have told his parents sooner. C. Daniel should have been telling his parents sooner. The correct answer is B. Daniel should have told his parents sooner. Question 20. A. Could you give me a lift to the station? B. Could you give me to the station a lift? C. Could you give me a lift at the station? The correct answer is A. Could you give me a lift to the station? 20 down. Last section. This is where it gets serious. Section 3. Advanced level. Grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure at the highest level. Question 21. A. It's freezing outside, is it? B. It's freezing outside, isn't it? C. It's freezing outside, isn't he? The correct answer is B. It's freezing outside, isn't it? Question 22. Choose the word that best completes the sentence. The author's explanation was deliberately blank, leaving readers to draw their own conclusions. A. Clear. B. Obvious. C. Ambiguous. The correct answer is C. Ambiguous. Question 23. A. By this time next year, she will have been working at her new job for 5 years. B. By this time next year, she worked at her new job for 5 years. C. By this time next year, she will work at her new job for 5 years. The correct answer is A. By this time next year, she will have been working at her new job for 5 years. Question 24. Choose the phrasal verb that best completes the sentence. Amelia's dream of becoming a singer never quite blank. A. Kicked off. B. Panned out. C. Turned up. The correct answer is B. Panned out. Question 25. A. He had wasted 2 hours. Mike finally started his essay. B. Having wasted 2 hours, Mike finally started his essay. C. To have wasted 2 hours, Mike finally started his essay. The correct answer is B. Having wasted 2 hours, Mike finally started his essay. Question 26. Choose the correct phrase. The guide suggests booking your tickets at least 3 months blank. A. In advance. B. Beforehand. C. Ago. The correct answer is A. In advance. Question 27. A. Jordan is so an inspiring individual. B. Jordan is such inspiring an individual. C. Jordan is such an inspiring individual. The correct answer is C. Jordan is such an inspiring individual. Question 28. Choose the word that best completes the sentence. After reviewing the evidence, the manager asked the team to reach a final blank. A. Decision. B. Report. C. Verdict. The correct answer is A. Decision. Question 29. Choose the word that best completes the sentence. When Liam received the promotion, he was absolutely blank. A. Confused. B. Ecstatic. C. Annoyed. The correct answer is B. Ecstatic. Question 30. Choose the word that best completes the sentence. No matter how difficult the project appears, keep in mind that you are blank. A. Careless. B. Unprepared. C. Capable. The correct answer is C. Capable. 30 questions. All done. Now, let's find your level. You have 3 scores, 1 for each section. Each score is out of 10. Here is how to read them. Beginner section, 8, 9, or 10 correct, you are A2. Elementary/pre-intermediate level, 5, 6, or 7 correct, you are A1. Beginner level, 4 or below, keep practicing the basics. Intermediate section, 8, 9, or 10 correct, you are B2. Upper intermediate level, 5, 6, or 7 correct, you are B1. Intermediate level, 4 or below, go back and review intermediate grammar. Advanced section, 8, 9, or 10 correct, you are C2. Proficiency/mastery level, 5, 6, or 7 correct, you are C1. Advanced level, 4 or below, you are working toward advanced level. Keep going. Your highest section, where you scored 5 or more, that is your level. Here is what each level means in real life. A1. Beginner level. You can understand and use basic everyday words and simple phrases. A2. Elementary/pre-intermediate level. You can talk about simple topics like family, shopping, and your daily routine. B1. Intermediate level. You can handle most situations when traveling and express your opinions clearly. B2. Upper intermediate level. You can discuss complex topics and understand most native speakers without difficulty. C1. Advanced level. You can express yourself fluently and precisely in professional and academic settings. C2. Proficiency/mastery level. You understand everything you hear and read and speak English as naturally as a native speaker. Comment below and tell me your result. What is your CEFR level? I read every comment. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe buttons. It helps Daily English Podcast reach more learners every single day. Are your listening skills stronger than your grammar skills? Click the next video to find out. This is Mike. See you in the next lesson.